50 days after Easter, the day of Pentecost marks the end of Eastertide and the coming of the Holy Spirit to the apostles and gathered believers in what some call the birthday of the Church.
So do you have any last-minute questions for me? I know you're drawn on, so are you ready?
The hardest part was just trying to get up into it. It's just so slippery. And
this makes me feel great. I mean, what more can you ask for? It's cold, it's not heated, I don't know what's gonna happen. I'll be fine.
Alright, I'm gonna say a shy person will sing in their car when they're driving.
In the Marvel War of Heroes tutorial, who is walking you through the game? An iPhone case left. Whatever am I going to do with this? Whatever am I going to do?
Oh God! It's getting put down. Alicia's by the door. You're out of here, Mr. Hack.
Hi, I'm Tina Jordan, Miss March 2002, and as you can see, there's more than just bunnies here at the Playboy Mansion.
Really like the start of my big journey, and I'm really excited about next year. I think.
heartbreak. My heart is breaking because you were so close.
Jane doesn't deserve to win the game because we had a long talk about integrity and sticking to the game.
This is Reese. She's considered for cystoscopy.
Burger King introduces the Chicken Whopper and Chicken Whopper Jr. Sandwich. A juicy, flame-broiled chicken breast filet so good it had to be called a Whopper. Cluck and get 50 cents off.
I got involved with Playboy through my mother. She kind of persuaded me to go try out at the bus that stopped in Toronto. And as I was coming up to the bus to get in line, I saw these beautiful blondes.
Yes, you did.
All the Playmates back in the 90s. In 1998, and Karen McDougal was Playmate of the Year. Karen McDougal in 1998, Playmate of the Year. Right to play for you play for your charity. Those when they had Trinity Sunday, got in 3 persons, 1 guy. You mentioned that it feels like fall today, and fall is already in here. The spring is already upon us, but today is just like fall. Shannon Tweed in 1982 Playmate, like Terry Wells in 1981 Playmate. Karen Velez in 1985 Playmate. Like Karen Wakewood, and you have all the happy holidays. So, like Kimberly Conrad in 1989 Playmate of the Year. Eileen Curtis in 2002 Playmate of the Year. Is wise enough before you have the Playmates for all women, and they're equal to a certain point. Nina Danielle was the 2018 Playmate of the Year. 2017, Brooke Power in the Playmate of the Year in 2017. Jordan Emmanuel in 2019 Playmate of the Year is the current. Hope Jurassic in 2010 Playmate of the Year. Claire St. Clair in 2011 Playmate of the Year. Christina Santiago in 2003 Playmate of the Year. Jade Nicole in 2008 Playmate of the Year. Sarah Jean Underwood in 2007 Playmate. Playmates are provided. Due to COVID, it was no longer required for Playmate of the Year, and this year is closed. It is Victoria Silverstein in 1997 Playmate of the Year. That was after Princess Diana's. He had the surgery and went to recovery and anesthesia. Anna Nicole Smith in 1993 for the Sarah Jean Underwood, like Lisa Matthews in 1991 like Corinna Harney in 1992 Playmate. As one of the oldest Playmates of the Year, Kathy Shower in 1986. I do like Stacey Sanchez in 1996 Playmate of the Year. Renee Tennyson and 1990 Playmate. Deborah Jo Furman in 1978 Playmate. Jenny McCarthy was the Playmate of the Year in 1990. Lisa Durgan in Playmate. One of them for Cindy Wood in 1974. Monique St. Pierre in 1979. For All the Saints, it's Here for All the Saints. UK for Remembrance Sunday. And Ashley Doris had it in Miss March 2013. And you like it out here, or you like to be a Playmate? Sharon Clark and Joel Collins. They were 19, and when they were Playmate of the Year. PMO Everett, Donna Michelle in 1960. It's like Wendy Darling from the book character of Peter Pan. Christina Sonego was there at the 2012 New York Comic Con, and Eddie Mathers in 2015 Playmate of the Year was Karen Winkler in this November in 1999 in the play. You're using the Olympus DS2 with the mics that you have, external and internal, sound professionals in between all the mics. Pearl and Teal and Jordan Mayo was Playmate of the Year in 2019, the last Playmate of the Year ever seen. The new Playmate of the Year in 2020, the last year. And Jordan Mayo was the second African-American descent since Eda Lindquist was Playmate of the Year in 2009. And the last Playmates edition of Fear Factor was one of the episodes, certainly in episode 2. Nicole Nearine in 2002. It is a more inclusive celebration for all 12 Playmates of the Year that will share the honor equally. Last year, Happy 4th of July, everyone! All those will be determined of 2021 Playmate of the Year. Time for Lion Cheer for a cheerleader. Cheer all about those and to donate your own for your charity. The Claire St. Clair's birthday is today, and 30, and happy Playmate of the Year and play for charity. $250 to charity in every Playmates like Dolly Parton. Now this one to become one of them. Posed for Playboy magazine when she turned 7. Christina Sonego! 2019 Playmates include Vanilla, Megan Moore, and the 12 Playmates they shared honored equally for 2019. And Hope DeRostick was Playmate of the Year in 10.5 years. In 2010? And springtime. Spring is here, and it provides for on the same point. The Claire St. Clair was Playmate of the Year in 9.5 years, almost 10 years. At that moment, is Brady Roderick's birthday. She's 47. The Playmate of the Year in 2001. And I'm part of that. Always there. And back in 2003, that Christina Sonego was Playmate of the Year. Brady Roderick and the different letters. Tiffany Bowden was in 2005. We go back to the Playmates. And Regis Kennedy Summers in 2014 Playmate. Tiffany Bowden was Playmate of the Year in 2005. Playmates of the Year like Jacqueline Swedberg and Raquel Poplin. And those interviews, like Victoria Silvstedt and Princess Diana. Elaine Curtis hosted that in this racing syndicate. And she had Karen McDougal when she was 27 at she was Playmate of the Year in 1998. Now she's 50 in March. Like Christy Shake in Miss May 2002. Michelle Rogers and Miss June. It's that Athena Lundberg in Miss January 2006 when she was there. Like Audra Lynn in Miss October to the 80s, like in 1985 and 1987. Audra Lynn, Christina Santiago, Barbara Moore, Serena Tolan, and Cameron. We talked about Christina Santiago and Delene Curtis before. Today was Jacqueline Swinberg's birthday. She is 31 right now and 31 in Lee. The privilege of the Playmates that was on Family Feud, that was one of them. Karen Lewis in 1985, Playmate of the Year, and she was on Inside the Nation that she recorded. Raquel Welch is 80 and almost 80. Hannah Jordan and the others in 2002 and 2003. Christina Santiago with the it's like the Playmate of the Year is like the champion and more. Playmate of the Year in 2004, Carmel de Caesar, and the game like Monique St. Pierre and all. There's 12 of the most beautiful women of the year. Go forward that 2020 Playmate of the Year, and it's too close to call this year. It's just like election. Miss March 2002, Tina Jordan, and Sarah than ever before. And Tina Jordan and Christina Santiago and the Playmates.
I mean, I kind of think of it as she's cancer-free, you know, the whole tumor's been removed. And
thank you so much, and I'm so happy to be Playmate of the Year. And
becoming a Playboy Playmate was
so back to the church. The bells are gradually stopping by.
Still your favorite all for $1.99. The grill's going at Burger King. We'd love to put a fire grilled Whopper on for you. Burger King, come on over. The fire's ready. Former host of The Price is Right was admitted to the hospital on Monday. The Hollywood former host of The Price is Right was admitted to the hospital on Monday.
He was rushed to a hospital in Santa Monica. He was, there was no brain activity. We are hearing conflicting things as of right. But it looks like he's not going to make it, and it may be that he already hasn't made it, but it's right on the precipice of that.
Luck of the Irish is not very good luck.